Hello students, I am Nagesh Bembre and today we are going to see the third point of unit first, that is functions of production management. In last few lecture we have seen introduction of production management, scope areas and objectives of production management. Now let us see what are the functions of production management. First function of production management is production planning. Production planning includes the decisions regarding routing, estimating, loading, and scheduling, which directs the different activities in specific sequence that reduces the time and improve the productivity. Now let us see what is mean by routing. Routing gives the right path and sequences of activities which can reduce the cost and time required to complete the activity. For example, movement of material from one workstation or one place to other place or other workstation may require more time or less time, that is based on the path and sequence of activities. Routing is related to temporary storage locations for raw material, components and semi-finished goods. In this way, routing determines the flow of material and operations. Now let us see what is estimating. In estimating, the processing time and the standard time, means machine time and labor time, are established as performance standards or expected performance. Next, loading. Loading involves in loading of machines according to their capacity. It considers the speed of machine and ensures smooth workflow. Now let us see what is meant by scheduling. Starting and completion time of various activities is determined by scheduling. It directs when to start and when to complete each and every operation for each and every part to be manufactured. Scheduling play very important role in reducing cost and time required to complete specific activity so that it will be ready to be shipped to the customer as per predetermined delivery schedule. In simple word, we can understand scheduling is the timetable of all manufacturing activities. Levels of production planning can also be classified as strategic level, tactical level, and operational level planning. Strategic planning made for a period of more than 2 years. Tactical planning is for 6 to 18 months and operational planning done for day-to-day operations. Let us see next function of production management, that is production control. Production control is the function that evaluates the output of production by comparing it with standard. If some deviations or errors comes out, then some necessary corrective actions applied in order to produce the product at predetermined standards or expected standards. Production control involves dispatching, follow-up, inspection, and evaluate and corrective action. Now let us see one by one. First, dispatching. Dispatching involved in setting the production activities in motion through the release of orders and instructions for the starting of production according to the routing and scheduling. Next, follow-up. It belongs to chasing or progressing, which is done after dispatching function. Follow-up can be known as expediting or progressing. It includes the activities such as status reporting, attending bottlenecks or blockages, and removing the same. The need of follow arises due to delay in supply of material, excessive absenteeism, changes in design specification, changes in schedule, and breakdown of machine. Next one, inspection. Inspection maintains the quality in production by evaluating the efficiency of processes, methods, and labor to improve and execute the operations as per standard set. Next one is evaluate and corrective action. The performance of result of machine, process and labor is evaluated by comparing actual versus expected or standard. If some major deviations or error found, then corrective actions applied to produce the product or execute the process as per expectations or expected standard. In this way, evaluation and corrective action can make consistent and accurate execution of all the activities towards producing expected product or output. Next function of production management is quality control. It determines the extent to which the resources used to maintain expected quality of product. Quality control is the system that ensures the expected quality by testing the sample of output with standard specifications. Quality control focuses on preventing the defects rather than detecting. It ensures the uniform quality in the production output. Quality control reduces the wastages and helps to make optimum utilization of available resources. That means complete and proper utilization or use of all the resources. Next function of production management is cost control. Cost of production is controlled by reducing the wastages, inventory control, and optimum utilization of all the resources. It is the system or practice which concerned with identifying and reducing the unnecessary expenses incurred on producing the product. Production manager should ensure the avoidance of unnecessary expenses spent on some activities or resources. The unnecessary expenses sometimes may be on machine or equipment or labor or an activity. Next function of production management is inventory control. It is the process in which the stock of raw material, semi-finished goods and finished goods made in order to fulfill the future unexpected demand or distribution. Following items are the categories of goods which stock is made as inventory. First category is production inventory. It includes raw material, parts and components which are used to manufacture the product. So these are the part of the product. Next category is MRO inventories. M means maintenance, R means repair and O means operating supplies. So maintenance, repair and operating supplies which are used or consumed in production processes but will not be the part of product. So these are used in process but not the part of the product. MRO materials such as lubricating oil, soap, machine repair parts, etc. Next category is in-process inventories. In-process material means intermediate or semi-finished goods which are used at various stages of production process. Next category is finished goods, that is completed product. These are the complete product which are ready to sell in the market. Next function of production management is maintenance and replacement of machines. Production management makes sure regular and appropriate maintenance and replacement of machines and equipments. There must be an efficient system which involves regularly inspection, cleaning, oiling, maintenance and replacement of machines and equipments with spare parts. This practices prevents the breakdown of machines and avoids the stoppages in the execution of production process. This function ensures the continuous execution of production processes without technical faults and halts. Next function of production management is to determine the right production capacity. Production capacity is the ability or potential of production management or process to produce specific quantity of products. Production management involved in deciding appropriate quantity to be produced by considering demand and availability of resources. Demand forecasting or sales forecasting gives the information regarding the future demand. Sometimes seasonal demand may be considered for specific products. For example, demand or sales of cold drinks is higher in summer season, whereas it is lower in winter season. So, in summer season, production managers should increase the capacity of the production to fulfill the increased demand, and capacity should be maintained appropriate or reduced in winter season. So accordingly that the resources should be maintained and made available. So these are the basic and important functions of production management. Next point of this unit we will see in next lecture.